Delivering packages with the help of drones has many advantages, such as navigating through traffic and other obstacles, reducing delivery costs, emitting less carbon, and reaching remote areas much faster than traditional delivery methods. However, the main problem with drone delivery occurs during package release. Dropping the package can damage the package and cause injury to people. There is a risk that the drone will collide with objects or people while hovering. While dropping a package, the drone is not guaranteed to land safely on the ground because the delivery location does not have a suitable landing surface. To overcome the problem at the time of delivery, A2Z Drone Delivery has launched its new drone, RDST Longtail. It is an hexarotor, heavy-lift delivery drone with a robust design to deliver your heavy payloads safely. The RDST Longtail is a vertical takeoff landing drone is made of rigid carbon fiber and an aluminum frame that makes it lightweight and robust. The delivery drone weighs 16 kilograms, including a battery, and can carry up to 8.95 kilograms of payload. This drone measures 1,400 millimeters long, 1,400 millimeters wide, and 850 millimeters high. Also, it can deliver packages with dimensions of 400 millimeters long, 300 millimeters wide, 300 millimeters, and high. With the payload, the RDST Longtail has a maximum takeoff weight limit of 24.95 kilograms. The drone can cruise at 72 kilometers per hour. The delivery drone has a long-range radio plus 4G that automatically transitions between multiple 4G networks and a direct radio link to optimize connectivity. Also, the RDST Longtail has a weather-resistant airframe so that it can work even in diverse weather conditions. The drone comes in two variants, RDST Longtail Standard and RDST Longtail Premium. The standard variant has a maximum range of 20 kilometers with no payload and can go up to 8 kilometers with 5 kilograms of payload. It also comes with a portable ground control station with a 7-inch display and 2000 nits of peak brightness, lasting up to 6 hours on a single charge. This drone comes with NEO GPS to accurately calculate its position. The premium variant of the RDST Longtail drone comes with all the premium features as it is named. It has the same specs just like standard variant, adding glass fiber customizable weather-resistant cover, RDS2 delivery winch installed with a cover, GPS RTK for real-time position monitoring, UART expansion hub, 112S 25,000 mAh battery, and a battery charger. The drone can deliver the package by hovering at a high altitude of 100 feet, with the help of the RDS2 delivery winch system, which will deliver the package safely and reliably. After giving the package, the receiver must detach the box, and the hook will automatically retract. The RDST Longtail can be helpful in various fields, such as medical deliveries, shore-to-ship delivery, search and rescue, and last-mile logistics. The drones are available on their official website at starting price of $20,000 for standard variants and $27,000 for premium variants.